Today is October 12, 2025, and the time now is 9 o'clock in the morning. So you can see, guys, the place is so relaxing. You can hear the bird sound. What you can see in my right side is the one of the factories here in Yongin, Gyeonggi-do, South Korea. So today is Sunday. There is no work. There is no production today because rest day. And on my left side is the beautiful mountains and companies also, or factories. Here in Yongin is so very relaxing and silent place because we are located in the, I think, forest. I don't know what's the correct term, because here in Yongin you can see a lot of mountains and beautiful rivers and lakes. So I am going to bus stop right now because I will go to church in Hewadong. It takes maybe 1 hour and 30 minutes to go there. And from here to Osan Station is about 45 minutes. So the total of my trip to Hewadong is mostly about 3 hours. So for me, the trip is 3 hours, but it's okay because I know this is for our Lord God Jesus. Beautiful mountains and beautiful vegetables. I think this is the sweet potato. I am not sure. As you can see, guys, there's a lot of beautiful ancestral house, but nobody is living there. Maybe there is, but only old people, because the young people is living in the city because they don't like here.